Russian looks impossible, but you can learn the alphabet in one sitting. And unlike English, Russian usually says exactly what it writes. No silent Ks, no silent Bs. No tough though or through. 33 letters. 6 short lessons. All in 30 minutes. By the end, Russian words will stop looking like code. First lesson. Easy starters. 5 letters that look and sound just like English. Enough to read your first real Russian words. Lesson 2. False friends. 6 letters that look English but sound completely different. The hardest part, but 5 minutes is all you need. Then come the strange shapes. 6 new letters, for sounds you already know. By this point, Russian words will already start looking less mysterious. Now the vowels. These vowels are what make Russian sound unmistakably Russian, including one that doesn't exist in English at all. Lesson 5. Hissing sounds. These are the letters that give Russian its sharp, unmistakable accent. Some will sound familiar. Some won't. And finally, 5 special letters unlike anything in English. 2 of these letters are silent, but they change how nearby letters sound. Watch in order. Each lesson builds on the letters from the ones before. Start with Lesson 1. 5 easy letters in 4 minutes. Link below. Your first Russian words are closer than you think.